Welcome to online lecture series. This is Dr. K. Ramesh from Mathematics and Institute of Engineering and Technology. Today's our topic is multiple integrals region. Lecture continuation 10. Triple integrals problems continuation 23. Evaluate integral 1 to e, integral 1 to log y, integral 1 to e for x log z dz dx dy. Here e for x is there, so you integrate with respect to z. Y opposite variable x, so second term with respect to x, last term with respect to y. This is the way of doing the integration methodology. Okay, now observe the intermediate formula. Log 1 0, log e for x, x log e, x log e base e 1. E for log x is x. Integral log x dx formula x log x minus x. Integral x log x dx formula x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4. How to get this one? Using integral by parts. Integral by parts. So u into integral b x square by 2 minus integral u dash log x equal to 1 by x. Integral b is x square by 2, x cancel. X integration x square by 2, alternatively is there x square by 4. So this is the formula for this. After the intermediate formula and after the integration methodology. Integral 1 to e, integral 1 to log y, substitute upper limit. Instead of z you write e power x. E power x log e power x minus e power x. This is the upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of z we write 1 into log 1 minus 1 dx dy. Look here. Log e power x is x. So this is the x e power x. This is not done. So integral 1 to e, integral 1 to log y. This is x e power x minus e power x. Log 1 0, so minus or minus plus 1 dx dy. Integral 1 to e x e power x integration chain rule x e power x integration x minus x by 1 again e power x integration e power x minus e power x integration e power x plus integral 1 dx is 0 to log y dy. Integral 1 to e. Substitute upper limit first. Instead of x we write log y. E power log y into x means log y. E power log y and e power log y plus x means log y. This is our upper limit. Instead of x we write log minus instead of x we write 0. 0 into something 0 minus e power 0 1 e power 0 1 0. Not 0. This is not 0. This is 1 to log 1. So 1 into e power 1 into e power 1 e power 1 e power 1 e plus instead of x we write 1. This is your lower limit. 1 to la. 1 to la. So instead of x we write 1. 1 into e power 1 e. 1 into e power 1 e. 1 into e power 1 e plus dy. D is equal to 1 to e power log y, e power log y is y. Observe the intermediate formula. E power log x is x, so e power log y is y. Y log y, y minus 2y plus log y, e cancel, plus e minus 1 dy. Integral y log y, already formula is there. Y square by 2 log y minus y square by 4 minus 2 into y is y square by 2 log y is y log y minus y. E constant, integral dy is y minus 1 to e, 1 to e. Substituting first upper limit, e square by 2 instead of y by e log e minus e square by 4 minus e square 2 cancel, 2 cancel, plus e log e minus e plus e square minus e. This is our upper limit minus lower limit. Instead of y we write 1 by 2 log 1 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 log 1 minus 1 plus e minus 1 log e 1, so e square by 2 minus e square by 4 log e 1, so minus e square log e 1, so plus e minus e plus e square minus e minus log 1 0 log 1 0 minus plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. E square let me say e square by 2 minus e square by 4, e square by 4 taking LCM 4 get e square by 4. E cancel minus e three plus 1 by 4 all plus 1 13 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into e square minus one more e is there 1 plus 1 plus substituting e square by 2. Okay, this is what e log e minus e square minus e here 0 minus 1 by plus 1 by 4 plus 1 plus 1 minus e there minus e plus 1. So we get minus 2e here minus 2e. So minus 80 plus 30. This is your required answer. Note down. Problem 24. Evaluate integral minus 1 to 1, integral 0 to z, integral x minus z to x plus z, x plus y plus z, dx dy dz. Look here x z three variables x, y, z. X, z are here. So first we have to integrate with respect to y. Leave it y. X, z. Now x, z. Two variables are there. Here appears z. So opposite variable is x. So integrate second time with respect to x. This methodology is very, very important. Last time with respect to z. So integral minus 1 to 1, 0 to z. Integrate with respect to y, x constant, x into integral dy is y. Y integration y square by 2. Z constant, integral dy is y. X minus z to x plus z. Substituting upper and lower limits instead of y. Dx dz. Now x square plus sz. This is a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square. A plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is 4ab. 4xz by 2 already put it there. Zx z square minus x square plus zx minus zx plus z. So z square 2z square. Here zx cancel. Zx 2zx zx 4zx dx dt. This is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 integration with respect to x 2x square constant integral dx is x plus 4z integral x is x square by 2 0 to z dz. This is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 substituting upper limit z 2z cube plus 2 cancel. Z is x is z 2z cube. Substitute lower limit we get 0 dz. Minus 1 to 1 4z cube dz. Of course that cube is a odd function, we get 0. I will integrate it. Therefore 4 by 4 minus 1 to 1 4 cancel 1 for 4 minus 4 for 4 we get 0. This is the required value. Note down. Problem 25. Evaluate integral 0 to pi by 2, integral 0 to a sin theta, integral 0 to a square minus r square by a r dz dr dθ. So 0 to pi by 2, last integration is nothing but dθ. Two things are there, dz to dr. Here theta appears, opposite is r, so second type r. So first type with respect to z. dz is z 0 to a square minus r square by a. Substituting upper limit a square minus r square by a, common 1 by a square r minus r cube. Integration a square r square by 2 r plus 4 by 4 0 to a sin theta d theta 1 by a. Substituting a sin theta a square into a square a for 4 sin square theta by 2 a for 4 sin for 4 theta by 4. common a4 1 by 2 into 0 to 5 by 2 sin square theta d theta 1 by 4 into 0 to 5 by 2 sin 4 theta d theta. A cancel a cube 1 by 2 into use values formula m minus 1 by m into remainder formula 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 minus 1 by 4 into here m minus 1 by 3 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 5 by 2. A cube into 5 by 8 minus 3 by 64. 64 as 8 times 8 pi minus 3 pi 5 pi 8 cube by 64. Note down, practice more. Thank you very much.